around my nail area and on the back of my hands. To avoid touching your face, your mouth, your nose and your eyes, as this is a possible route of the virus to enter and cause infection. If you cough or sneeze and if you don't put your hand to your mouth and you touch surfaces, the virus can survive for several hours outside the body. So it's important that you wash your hands effectively to prevent transmission of the virus from person to person. Sweating my hands. Take some soap, create a lather, clean the back of your hands, in between your fingers, the end of your fingers, your thumb, again your palms, your wrist and the top of your hand again. Rinse the soap off with water. Turn off the tap with the tissue to prevent cross-contamination. And then you discard of the tissue into a bin. As you can see, as I've done the thorough hand washing under the UV light, there is no sign of the germs present on my hand. As you can see, you have got UV fluorescing indicating germs are present around my nail area and on the back of my hands from not washing my hands effectively.